Hi guys! Today I have a delicious creamy roasted eggplant soup recipe for you. The soup is really easy to make and it's full of flavor. Let's get started with the recipe. The first thing you want to do is to start by prepping the eggplants. You want to wash them well and then pierce the eggplant like I'm showing you here in the video with a fork. This will help to cook the eggplants evenly. And then you want to halve the garlic, so you don't want to peel the garlic, just half it like I'm showing you in the video. Then cover a baking tray with some olive oil, add the garlic halves and also add the eggplants. So what I'm doing here, I'm just covering the eggplants lightly with the olive oil. And then you want to roast the eggplants in the oven at 200 Celsius degrees for 30 minutes to 45 minutes or until the eggplants are really soft. Then you want to allow them to slightly cool so that they are not hot to touch, and after that you can start removing the skin. You want to remove the skin of the eggplants and also the stem, and then if you want, if your blender or mixer needs this, you can also chop the eggplants roughly. This will make it slightly easier for your immersion blender or for your mixer to blend the soup. Then we also need a lemon. You want to start by rolling the lemon on the cutting board like this. This will make it easier for you to juice the lemon. Then you want to halve the lemon, pierce the lemon with a fork like I'm showing you in the video, and then juice the lemon into the pot with the eggplant. Then also add in the roasted garlic. Just make sure you don't get any garlic skin into the soup. Now adding 1 can of coconut milk, and then I'm also adding 2 big tablespoonfuls of tahini, and now I'm gonna blend everything until smooth. Only after that I'm gonna start adding the liquid, because then I can see how the consistency of the soup is before I start adding the liquid. So first I'm adding about half of my vegetable broth and then blending the soup again to check how creamy it is, how thick it is before I add the rest of the vegetable broth. I ended up adding all of my vegetable broth. However, I recommend that you check the creaminess of the soup after you've added half of the vegetable broth and then decide whether you want to add the rest as well. The soup is really creamy and beautifully thick. And now it's important to taste the soup and then season with some salt and pepper to taste. I also added about 1 teaspoon of dried thyme because I really like the flavor it gives to this soup. Then give it a short mix, and if you want you can reheat the soup if it's not as hot as you like it for serving. I also garnished the soup with a little bit of sesame oil, some fresh parsley, some sesame seed and chili flakes. However, you can garnish the soup to your liking. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.